welcome back. So this is XMG lost link from BottleCaps part 18. So right now what we want to do is to link BottleCaps to GrainCoin. Okay. So I was checking offline some stuff, and there's some text that it's different between BottleCaps and GrainCoin. So there will seem that there's quite some changes from one place to another one, and yeah, so either GrainCoin has done a lot of change, or maybe some of these changes are something that it's you know, there's another coin between GrainCoin and BottleCaps, but I don't think so. Yeah. So yeah, you have this BottleCaps change, which which adds this stuff, and here we cannot find this because there's this max mint proof of stake, which you know, maybe they are not here but somewhere else. So I'm not sure. Nova coin. Yeah, look at this. This seems to be something from Nova coin. Currency Nova coin.cpg. Why would you have this into a folder? You also have this reward, and this is coffee coin. Yeah, this seems like a lot. Let me see. June, yeah. I mean, this initial commit is coffee coin. This is the guy from Orange coin. Let's see, what the hell is this? Yeah, no, this commit should be. Yeah, okay. Do we have something interesting in reading? Coffee coin. So this is done on top of Nova coin, so this might be a fork of GrainCoin after all. Yeah. Okay. Or maybe not, but it doesn't match the dates. Okay, so anyhow, I think that I'm going to check the commits once again, because I am not sure about everything about this. So yeah, let me see. So the first thing that you want to do is to find out which is the BottleCaps commit from which GrainCoin has forked, and which is the so the GrainCoin first commit that we want to use. It is its first commit. Let's see if this is true or not. So if you go here in GrainCoin, Rukar GrainCoin, if you go here and you check its first commit, okay, yeah, you can see how the question is, does the first commit has a lot of stuff? Yeah, so this is the one commit that you want to use as the first commit. So let's write this down. Okay, and the date of this commit is is 7th of December. So what we want to know is which is okay. What to know is the BottleCaps commit from which green coin was forked was something. And this is what we do not know yet. Okay. So what we can do is to compare stuff, and that way it's gonna be easier, because right now, you know, green coin has this date, but if you take a look at BottleCaps and so on, it's a bit confusing, because there are many commits here around the date, around the 7th of December. A lot of changes here, and yeah, maybe this protocol changes. Yeah, the time version. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is gonna be any useful for us. So this is src version.h from the first commit. So we should have this. Where is this? This thing. See other their time version. Let's see if it's 30,000 or 70,000. Okay, so you can see here green coin is 31,402. Oh my god. So look at that. So that means that we want a commit before this change. Oh, that's nice. So we have this protocol change. Hopefully it's not reverted. Let's go back. Let's go to the future a bit. I mean, let's go to something related to December, because sometimes okay, so December, so we have this point of time, which is in the future. Let's see if this change was reversed, just in case, to be sure. No, it was not reversed, so you are working with 70,000. So what means is that the commit should be what the hell is this? Protocol changes. So let me find out. What's the date? Is August 20. So okay, so the versions should be this one or an earlier one. The BottleCaps commit should be or an earlier one. Okay, so yeah, so it should be this one or an earlier one because of these changes. So what you want to check now is some changes. So let's check one by one. So yeah, so this is the update version.h. Wait a minute. Yeah. So here we have this Nobelsk stuff, which is 2 and 4, and this is changed into 7. So we want an earlier version, probably. yeah, so it's before this one. Update checkpoint should not be anything that we could match, but we just check just in case. What the hell, this is 10B00. Here it is. So what about this one? C3. Okay. What about 0D8? Nothing interesting. What about this one? This is 565. Okay, fix 6 points and something. I mean, they fixed a lot of checkpoints. I asked myself why. This BottleCaps has so many changes around here. Okay, here we have another version, which is we change from 121 to 130. Not sure if we are going to be able to see this. 1000. Do you think that this comes from here? That's a good question. Let's check more checkpoints, see if we can see something useful. Not this one. Okay, update main.cpp. This is... wait, this is a bug, isn't it? This should be fixed on here. Let me close some of these commits here. And this one was the one about the 4, which we have here. We have the 4, so that means that this commit, not this one, but the parent one, let's copy the link. It's the one that you want. So it should be, or an earlier one. Okay, so let's do not forget about this. Okay, so now we can focus on opening more stuff or not. So 2000, this is main.cpp. Okay, so main.cpp. 2000 something. Yeah. Okay. So probably, what the hell is this? Probably yes, this equal, but I mean this might be a bug that was introduced and then removed. So I would say that, yeah, you can see how there's an update main.cpp here also. Oh, look at that, the typo. This is interesting. So if I go here and check what checkpoint is too old, I am in main.cpp, isn't it? STR status is sync checkpoint to old. Why isn't this here? Oh, look at that. Warning, checkpoint is too old. Wait for blockchain to download or notify developers. This is the same thing, but this would seem as maybe there's July. Maybe there's something else that we are missing. Wait for the blockchain to delay or to notify developers. The question is this literal text in GrainCoin, not in GrainCoin, in BottleCaps anywhere, so that we should be aware of it, this repository. Wait for blockchain to download. This is after ppcoin. So this has been changed. Wait for blockchain to download or notify developers. And here the update is contact the development team. So yeah, what do you have in 2014? I mean, just before the 7th of December. So 7th of December. Wait a minute, I have gone too fast. 7th of December. Where the hell are you? Here. So this specific commit might have some clues about src main.cpp message, and I'm not sure. Wait for blockchain. Checkpoint is too old, so what the hell is this? Wait a minute, I think it was here. Checkpoint is too old. Yeah, we already have development team history. Yeah, you've got a lot of stuff here. What about this 1.2.1 version? Maybe he used that and that's it. src main.cpp. Okay. Checkpoint is too old. Okay, wait a minute. You may need to upgrade or notify developers. Wait for blockchain to download or notify developers. So here we have what the hell is this? Find developers, notify developers. So notify developers versus wait for blockchain to download. Yeah, it's not exactly the same text, but you would think you would need to have here. Yeah, so this is quite annoying. Fix self-post. Here there is some interesting changes that we might want to take a look at. Okay, let me see. Compute max bits or compute min work. This is found on main.cpp. Maybe we can use this to understand. So this is main.cpp. Oh wait, compute min work, compute max bits. Same thing. So this is a function in 1000. The function is compute min work and they put compute max widths instead. This is the definition. So you have compute max bits up here, and then this compute min work and compute min stake should be next to each other, and it's compute max bits. So this is definitely it needs to be higher than this. So it needs to be higher than this commit here. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Commit should be this one. Or a newer one. So now we have pixel forking issues. So we have this one that starts with 598, which is from later on, I think. Wait, why isn't there any? Yeah, not this thing. So if you search for all of the commits of BottleCaps and you want to check 598. I'm not sure how to search for this. 59808. Yeah, it's this one. So we have either July. So this is from July 29, and the other one that we have found out is 27 something. Let me see what happens if I use the newer one stuff thing. So this is from August. Well, this does not make sense. What the hell is going on here? Or an earlier one. Okay, let me check another commit. This is July. Okay, so I have this about BottleCaps. So BottleCaps, I have seen that it should be this commit or an earlier one, because there's something here that it's removed, if I'm not mistaken. And at the same time I've said, well, you know, an earlier one that it's better suited is this one. But now that I have checked on another stuff, I see that I need something that it's introduced on this commit. So I'm not sure if I am doing this right, you know what I mean? Because yeah, so this is one that introduces yeah, this is the one that introduces the 7, so on July. So if you know that version .h is the 4, is the number 4. So yeah, so if you know that this is not where I have found this, but let me see. Not this one. So as you can see here, this is a comment from July, and if you say okay, so there's this change, that this is changed from 4 to 7, so if whatever the reason green coin in this last version is that this in its first commit it is using version .h, he's using the 4 version, so it did not make many sense to have this. Okay, where are you? Here. That made many sense to have this, so you need an earlier version. However, this is just in a small stuff here, so we can ignore this, I think. And the other one that I was saying something about, an earlier one, it was not this one, but the other one that we were working on, saying that we needed an earlier one commit. Okay, so let me check. We've got this file here. Yeah, and the other one is the one that starts with 5. So why this one? I do not know. I thought, yeah, this one or earlier one. So I guess that there's something in the future of this checkpoint that yeah, so this is 29th of July, so 29th of July. So yeah, so this commit has changed. Okay, to be a, well, I'm not sure. In any way, any and it doesn't matter anything of this, because I have found this 30 of August commit, which is an interesting commit. Okay, so 30th of August, a lot of stuff happened altogether, and there's this 274, which is here commit, which is an interesting commit because it modifies how this works. So it adds these two functions here together, and it's just removes this one, and this is found on green coin. So that means that we want this. maybe this thing here. So get next target required, so it removes the static. Okay, so if you search here for this thing, you don't have the static. Okay, when the function is defined, you don't have the static. So that means that for sure we need a newer commit than the one from August. Okay, so the question is, what more should we take a look at? Here there are a lot of you know, a lot of checkpoints, but it's not sure which one is the right one. So maybe we can take a look at the newest one. This is checkpoint. This is not going to be useful. Updating a version, I don't think this is going to be useful, because this is 1.4 becomes 1.5, and there's nothing about versions here, so we don't care too much. And yeah, were we here or there? I do not know. Yeah, so set post reward. This might not be anything. Okay, reward fixed switch time. Okay. This is not here. Let me see. Main.h. Okay, that's the reason why I wasn't able to find it, because this is from main.h. Let's search, not this one. Let's search for reward fixed switch time. See what the hell. It's not there. Although I think that there's nothing about rewards here, so I'm not sure it's. Wait, version.h. Have I managed to do this not properly? Yeah, I have. Okay. So reward switch time should be here, isn't it? No, it's not. Yeah, it's not easy to understand what the hell happens there. Let's check more new commits, see if we can understand anything. So we need the 30th of August is something. Yeah, this is the version here, which I guess that protocol version. Yeah, this is to revert key pending update. All of these commits do not help us in any way. More icons. What am I supposed to do with this? I think I don't have. I think that all of these icons are different. Icons overview. Let me check whatever is here, but you know, share. So src qt. Wait a moment. Res. Wait a moment. What the hell is this src here? Clock 1? Is that Does this has anything to do with in out? No, this isn't this. That's nothing. Haven't seen this. Okay, let's focus on icons. And was it icons? What I was taking a look at? What switch time? Yeah, so it's not very clear. Where the hell do we have the comparison that, okay, here it is, more icons. Icons overview .png. Let's see if we can take a look at this overview. So this is a house. Okay. So as you can see here, this changed a lot of stuff here. And one of the stuff that it's changed is the house. So what we want is something older than this. Yeah, so this comment or an older one. It okay at about these two comments. It should be or an earlier one. And this comment is from September. So this is July, September. So 9/27. 1 second. Let me check 1 second one thing, because I'm not sure if this is done properly. So it's July, yeah. I have written it properly. Yeah, so let's go back here. So either is this one here. Damn it, what? Either is this one here, or it's this one here. Okay, because we have this old house there, and I don't think green coin will have to change it. So yeah, so we should find out if there's something here that makes sense. Yeah. Let's start again. So let's open let's see how we do this. Let's open from here to the downside. Maybe some of these commits will help us understand. This is not useful. Up to version 5, I don't think this is useful. Checkpoint warning. Oh, wait a minute. Temporarily disabled. Here there isn't a space here. What about this? I think we have already seen this and it was not very good. So we have main.cpp and there's no way searching stuff, because this is some checkpoint is too old. This has another way of explaining stuff, so this is not it. But anyway, where the hell is this? Yeah, I don't care about this. The merge timestamp fix. Yeah, this is the reward fix switch time, which we don't have we don't have here. So reward fix switch time, this is not found here, so maybe we could use that after all. So this is something from main.h, and main.h does not have this. It only has the reward switch time, and no, it does not have anything about switch time. So this should be at line 43, but GrainCoin you don't have anything of that. Line 43, there's no switch time, no money range. So just before the money range, it should be something about this. Protocol switch time, money range, which is function main.h. Yeah, so money range mean takes amount fee. There's nothing about this. Maybe it has been removed. Maybe, you know, traditions. Okay. What about this one? Fix the amount. This should be something that we are interested, because I have already seen this. And yeah, so if we search this in main.cpp, I think that's the right file to search for. Or wasn't it wallet.cpp? Not sure if it's open somewhere here. Main.cpp. Yeah, let's copy and paste this, and let's use this tab here. So wallet.cpp, if you take a look, as you search this, you've got something interesting, which is that else. So you have, this is simple, you have if, 2 lines, and else, and what the commit does is instead of having only 2 lines inside these 2 curly brackets, you have like 4 or 5 or something. You have this fix around it, and so yeah. So that means that this should be wallet output. So look at that. So it should be this commit or an earlier version. This is the same date, which is 30. So yeah, so now we are checking this one. Let's see what the hell is there. Okay, here you have this reward switch time stuff, which is not used at all on main.cpp, so we are not going to find it. If we go to main.cpp, we are not going to find it, so we ignore it because I think this is something that it's removed. Yeah, and so what about this fixed how trust calculation? Oh, look at that. Main.cpp. Is this something? I mean, I want to search this on main.cpp. And what's the commit? What's about? Return. Yeah, okay. So if so this is the merge, that should be the same thing as this before. So however, I'm going to check if this commit does anything at all, because sometimes I do not understand how the commits work. Okay, there are some changes here. Okay, as you can see here, it has the oldest commits. So I guess that somewhere here on all of this, somewhere here on all of this, you use this 0, and then it gets fixed so that it has a 1, and that's something that you do here, and then we know that yeah, so this is probably the one that we want to use, because we have 96A or an earlier one. So 96A, is this useful at all? Reward coin year 1000. Let's take a look at this, because I don't know what is this all about. Main.cpp. Yeah, so this is changed a bit. Yeah, this is different on BottleCaps, whatever the reason is. So I think I'm going to let me check this thing here. Get block trust. Does it work with this stuff? This removes the static. This adds all of this. The question is, does this commit add the, what the hell is this? Does this commit add this text about yeah, this reward switch time something? Does it do anything related to this? No, it does not. Yeah, so I'm not sure where the hell does this come from. So I guess that it comes from fix self small transference. Okay, it's this one. We don't care about this one. And it needs to be 9. Yeah, it needs to be this one because it's yeah, so I think this is the right commit, and that's it. Final commit is this one, 932, which is the one that fixes this. It's the best one. So now we can say something like we want to link from here. Okay, so we want to link from BottleCaps to GreenCoin, and the first commit is this one, and this is the commit that we want to fork from, probably. Although there was another branch, and you know, I might take a look at the other branch because maybe that's where everything was taken from. And this is the date is on August, might it be? BottleCaps Foundation 4. Yeah, look at that. Let's open this from Cryptomaniac Master. Yeah. Okay, so this one here is, yeah, August, 30th of August. Nice. So Cryptomaniac Master. This is explanation. Fix the client, this ready and works fine. Baltasar. Oh, I remember this name about other people talking about him. Baltasar. Fix the client, this ready and works fine. Publish the pull request. Let's have it. Yeah. So this has a commit. The thing is that this comes from Cryptomaniac Master. And the question is, do you have anything more here? So you have the master branch. So maybe this was worked on this account, and then he did some work here, and he had but so this branch is 219 commits behind BottleCaps Foundation Master. And what about development branch? This is up to date. Wait a minute. So there are two branches here. Okay. Look at that, 220. And this one here, this branch is up to date, which with this one 242 commits behind master. Six commit ahead. Which ones? This is from August. Oh. What the hell is this? IRC. Look how IRC has this stuff about comparing stuff. It also have 607 include main.h version. Is this something that we find here in version.h of GrainCoin? No, we don't. Damn it, no, I'm not sure where the hell I am. It was around here. Yeah, so the Kion calculation. Bitcoin RPC. Yeah, I'm curious if Bitcoin RPC has this. It should not have it, but you never know. Bitcoin RPC.cpp, and let's search this. Yeah, it's not there, so probably I don't think this development branch has anything that we want to. Okay, so let's start with all of this. Let's prepare it, then we will write it up, because it might be a bit so GrainCoin, we move it down here. So what we want to have here is we want to go from GrainCoin, no, BottleCaps, that's right, we want to go from BottleCaps to GrainCoin. So what we want here is BottleCaps, which I'm not sure. Yeah. So here I should have. So yeah, BottleCaps, and this should be GrainCoin. So GrainCoin, I should be working on the first commit. I think that's right. And the first commit is, let's see, let's just use whatever we have here. GrainCoin is the first commit, yeah. So let's do this, hit checkout, this one, and this should be initial commit branch, and we keep here. So now here we should be able to clone BottleCaps, and if I'm not mistaken, I have already cloned BottleCaps on Rookar, so we should be good. Yeah, that's right. So let's clone this. so that we have it. So now should be able to go back to grain coin, which is initial commit branch, and here we should be able to move BottleCaps here. And yeah, so we have this master branch, but now we can check out this one. Okay, and be something. So maybe minus b space, here it is. So we want to use this commit, and this is going to be fork from BottleCaps to grain coin. Nice. So once we have this, we can start doing stuff. So this is the mel one, and so what you have as the future is grain coin, and we can check whatever is happening here. And once again, we have a lot of files that are being changed up and down. So if you've got these BottleCaps with 4820, and grain does not have so many of them. Okay, and yeah, Bitcoin testnet. Yeah, the usual files that are being changed up and down. Readme. I wonder if readme. Yeah, look at that. Readme. Yeah, apparently BottleCaps did not do too much here. If you take a look at share contrib, where is it? At share setup.nsi, you can see how this is the same file, and it's all about BottleCaps. That's why we are comparing BottleCaps to grain coin. Once again, these files that are moving up and down, you have to remove them, you have to add them, and so on. We also have these files again. Yeah, these files are added, so grain coin sometimes it's not so good. So it would seem that mint coin is more of a BottleCaps fork, and then you know, it stole some code from grain, but I'm not sure about that. And yeah, and that's it more or less. We have make file changes as always, and there was this sign verify transaction file that we usually take a look at. Here it is, sign verify. Here there was something about this stupid thing. What was the name? Lucky 7, but I don't think the Lucky 7 is here anymore. I think we have removed it one of the iterations, but I don't know where. Sign verify dialog. Maybe it's not this one. Maybe it's another one. Yeah, this UI. What the hell is this? It's an UI, isn't it? Res images, and there's forms. Qt forms. Okay, here it is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Here's the place where grain coin goes to BottleCaps. So you can have another Lucky 7 coin in between, but you know, I don't think we are going to find it. So the first commit of first commit of grain coin is from 7th of December, but there is not 7th of December. There is not lucky 7 coin. There is no lucky 7 coin repo, but it's so old. Yeah, so finally we get rid of lucky 7 coin. And this is changed into BottleCaps. Okay, BottleCaps. Yeah, so let's do this. We are about to make commits at this path here, okay? And now we are done, and this should be so grain coin and meme coin was done. BottleCaps. Yeah. So now we are missing the link between grain coin and BottleCaps, and we know where to fork and just do everything. We can go once again. We need to jump there. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay. This is not it. Okay, let me check. Let me answer in Discord. So this is yeah, so now I can copy and paste this. We can say everything is ready to be able fork grain coin out of BottleCaps. Everything has been made ready for being able to fork grain coin out of BottleCaps. Okay, so yeah, so let's stop here the stream. So thank you very much for watching the video. Next video we will link from BottleCaps to grain coin. Okay, and everything is laid out, and we just have to make commits here. Thank you very much for watching this video.